Hello friends, if you are looking for best free VPNs, then you are at a correct place. These VPNs are completely free. There are no date and data limits and there are no hidden charges, no bandwidth problems and no strings attached. Follow this video and you can easily install any free VPN and use it. These free VPNs we have covered for laptops, PCs as well as Android and iPhone browsers as well. If you can see here, the first one is Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 and followed by a lot of VPNs. These are all completely free VPNs. These are for laptops and PCs, for MacBook or any Windows laptop. See here, we have covered features, pros, cons for all the free VPNs. There were a lot of features as well and we have showed how to install these VPNs as well. Coming to the first one, it is Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 VPN. They have free apps for iOS, Mac, Windows and Android phone as well. If you click on any of these respectively, it will open and then it will be easily installable. It is fast, free as well as private VPN. There were no strings attached for Cloudflare. It will directly connect to nearest one. Coming to VPN Book, it is one of the best VPN, free VPN. As shown in the video, it's 100% free. 100% free VPN. It has PPTP and OpenVPN. They have a lot of servers across Europe as well as UK and US as well. It is 100% free. Moreover, you don't need to register. You can completely use it for free. If you are living in any of the regions, you can connect to the nearest location and then you can access it. Don't worry, we will show you how to install it. Open free VPN account as shown here. Click on that and they have a lot of servers as recommended here. You can see it is $0 per month. You can choose any of these free VPNs and then they have provided a lot of servers like bundle, C8, 222 OpenVPN. Based upon your requirement, download it, use this VPN username and password and then access it. If you want any optimized one, you can click on these servers, or any VPN certificate bundle, you can click on this. I am using this. Now I am downloading it to my system. It will be downloaded in a minute. Once it is downloaded, see here, I am clicking it. The download has started. And then once the download is done, click on Tunnel Blink and go to downloads and download this one. This is free software for OpenVPN on macOS. If you are using Windows, then download for free software OpenVPN for Windows. It's quite easy. Once you download, click on Tunnel Blink as shown here. It will be downloaded and then installed. Click on open here and then it will open, and then if you want to check for updates, you can check it or uncheck it. Then continue. Click on continue. It will ask system password, laptop's password. Yeah, once you tried it, then it will open and it will be starting in few seconds as shown here. Tunnel Blink is downloading and then it is starting. Wait for it to start. Depending upon the speed of your laptop, it will open. Click on I have configuration files. As you have downloaded VPN Book, then you have configuration files yourself. Once it is done, then go to Finder and open Tunnel Blink. Once it is opened, then as shown here, VPN Book configuration files are visible here as shown here. Then try to connect it. See here, VPN Book as shown in the video. Connect to it and it will ask username and password. I will show you. Go to VPN Book and then they have given VPN Book username and password. Copy the password and enter it here and then click on OK. You can see the logs here. Yeah, it's connected. It's connected. Once it is connected, it will change the, yes, success. The DNS address has been changed through a VPN. You can see the settings here. Don't change anything. It will be set to manual because we have downloaded it from manual. Disconnect it. Check your IP just to check whether it's connected or not. what is my IP. Click on what is my IP and it will show your IP. My IP is this one, 124.123, that one. Now connect to VPN again. Copy the username and password again, as shown here, VPN book. Click on OK. The previous connections will be lost and again it will connect, as shown here. If you can see this, it is connected. Yes, just now it got connected, and VPN book, the VPN got connected in and out. Then check for what is my IP here, and it has changed to 94.23. Then open any website which is not authorized, like TikTok. As you all know, in India, TikTok is not available now. After connecting to VPN, it is opening, as shown here. You can watch unlimited any website, any kind of website from using this VPN. After that, you can disconnect and go to. Once it got disconnected, I will show you how. This is how you connect in desktop. Now coming to mobiles, Aloha is one of the best VPN for mobile. It is completely private, secure browser. You can download it for App Store, from App Store and Google Play. It got inbuilt VPN, as shown here. You can access it completely free, no need to pay anything, and you can download securely using this Aloha VPN, as well as Opera as well. It is one of the best VPN browser. It has got inbuilt VPN. Yeah, see here, a browser for the real you. It is designed for you. It's completely free, as shown here in the video, and it got free VPN, which reduces online tracking and shields your browsing. This is one of the best. Even I am using Opera browser only. There is one more VPN as well, Hola browser. It's one of the best VPN. You can download it and you can use it. See here, after opening, it's directly showing VPN. Once you start it, then your data won't be tracked. Even Browsec as well. Browsec, it connects to VPN and it downloads anonymously. It has more than 8 crores people downloaded it and using it. They have Chrome extension as well and Opera extension as well. In this way, you can connect to any VPN and access it freely. There were some cons as well while using free VPNs. We have covered here, as some of them are unsafe and some of them track your data and then they will sell to some third-party tools. Don't worry, we have covered some best paid VPNs as well. If you want, you can use them as well. If you are willing to safeguard your data, use these best paid VPNs. They can access you everything based upon device, country, tips and tricks, everything. If you are using Windows Phone, these are the best best paid VPNs for Windows. See here, it secures web browsing on public Wi-Fi as well, and online game speeds will be increased. These are the best VPNs, paid VPNs for Windows Phone. These are the 5 best VPNs for Windows Phone. Click on any of these VPNs and you can access them easily. They were expensive, but we at VPNS.reviews are offering our users with lot of discounts and offers as well. For Hide.me, you can use 61% discount, and for TunnelBear, we are offering 50% discount. On the right hand side, you can see our best 5 VPNs. If you click on CyberGhost, it will redirect to CyberGhost VPN, and then it is offering 79% discount for our VPNS reviews as recommended by us. Start your 2021 with the CyberGhost VPN and get 79% discount. Yeah, thank you for watching.